Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to see texture art using stencils on a chocolate box. This is a chocolate box which I had. So I'm using this stencil, which is a mandala art stencil. I'm using mixed media paste and a palette knife. So let's get started. Just to make the surface rough, I'm using sandpaper and sanding it out. Now I'm going to wipe it out, and now I'm going to add this mixed media paste. This can be used as a primer as well, so that's why I'm using the same to prime as well. You can use acrylic color as well to prime the surface. This is an all-in-one paste, so I'm using it to prime as well. So after the primer coat, I'm going to apply this bright red color. I love this color nowadays, so I'm applying this. Now we'll use the stencil. I'm going to tape the stencil so that it doesn't move. So I'm using the same pattern on all the sides and creating a design. You can use any kind of design you want to. I will link this stencil in the description box below. You can find to buy. So using a palette knife, you can also use normal knife as well if you have at home, and trying to apply it uniformly, taking little by little. I'm also trying this for the first time with you people. Let's see the output. So like this, I'll cover up the entire design slowly, little by little. Once it's done, I'm going to gently remove it. We will repeat the same method and do the same kind of stencil work throughout the box. See how pretty it looks. Now I'm taking the gold color and coloring the edges. I'm taking pearl metallic gold from Fevicryl brand. You can take any brand paint and any color of your choice. It looks royal, so I'm choosing this. Look at the stencil art. I never expected this outcome. Then you can use deco varnish and varnish it. Hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.